All right, guys, we got Elements, Panini Elements Football Break number 1, 2-boxer. I don't have football sheets yet. The wife will have them made up for next week, so if I don't name a team, don't worry. You got it. I'll have to look it up manually, but I think we got everybody down, so no particular order. Let's do this. Kostler, Chargers, and I didn't realize that some teams moved states. Still got Oakland Raiders, so don't worry, Raiders, go to Raiders. Chargers, Kostler, DC Pens, Kansas City Chiefs, Cam, Rams, Spears, Bengals, Gregor, Ravens, Gregor, Redskins, Gregor, Eagles, Ken E, Bucks, Ken E, Saints, Dylan, Vikings, Gregor, Dolphins, Vic, Giants, Ellie, 49ers, Ellie, Cowboys, Matty K, Lions, Chi, Raiders, Cam, Seattle, Slew, Pitt, Ellie, Jaguars, Panthers, and Titans. Denver, Patrick, Green Bay, Packers. I might have to look up those particular owners, guys. Sorry. Colts, Vin, Buffalo, Facalio, Greg, Jets, Patriots, Texans, and Browns. Atlanta, is it Atlanta Hawks? No. Atlanta Falcons, beef. I eat beef. It's been so long. Packers is Ellie as well. All right, guys, good luck. Thank you. Elemental came out yesterday. 2 autos, 1 mem card per box on average. The good old on average remark. $11 Phil's stature, guys. $11. Buffalo. Victor Olofsson. Alright, guess that's all the cards per break. Hopefully big hits. Alright, guys, we got RPS Rookie Steel Signatures. Lynn Bowden Jr. Not sure where he goes or if he's any good, but... Ooh, wow. Some of these look pretty sick. And we got for the Dolphins. Oh, these are nice. Patch auto. Tua Tagovailoa. Loa. Rookie neon signatures. Patch in the background. Raiders is Bowden. And this is for the Dolphins. Man, nice card. Jeez. I like that. Thank you guys on the Raiders. Not sure if that's a good rookie or not, but and this team double dipped. We got a supercharged 4-color patch, number to 27 for the Dolphins, Tua Tagovailoa. That's pretty sick. Number to 27. Peel off the protective cover. I don't know. It might be worth more. We got Jonathan Taylor, rookie, steal. Jonathan Taylor. All right, let me peel it off. Hang on. Just joking. For the Colts. I wonder if he's any good. All right, there's box 1. See if I can open it up right this time. Little steal action. Good luck, guys. Final box. We got for the Jets, rookie, LaMichael Perrine. LaMichael Perrine, or however it's said. Jets steal. Peel off protective cover. I wonder if it's worth more without the cover. Or with it on. If you get it graded, cover's got to come off. Supercharged jersey to a hundo, Tyler Johnson, Tampa Bay Bucks. A little supercharge. These are nice. I like this stuff. Future neon signs to 149 rookie auto for the Saints, Tommy Stevens. Not a ton of cards, but I guess it's obviously classified as a higher end. That'll go in a 130. Oh, that is sick. On steel signature. Brian Dawkins for the Eagles. Wow, I like that. Weapon X. Wow, very nice. Not a lot of cards, but very nice. I thought it was more cards than that, but I guess it's a little bit higher end. '49ers, Ellie. Jets. Not sure. I can't see the Jets. I know I have it down, but... Gregor with the Jets. Dolphins, Gregor. Colts. I know I have them down, but anyway. And Oaktown going to Chi. Colts is Vin. And who was that? Saints. Going to Ken. And then there was Eagles again. All right, so got it. All right, guys, that is it. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Only got a couple boxes of football for this weekend. Figure we'll get a few here and there, see how she rolls. Thank you, guys. We'll continue to get more as we can.